This is a short video on how to correctly lace up your boot. It might sound silly, but it's incredibly important to adopt a good lacing method in order to ensure day-long comfort. And while we appreciate that everybody's feet are different shapes and sizes, and people have personal preferences about how to tie up laces, here's a method we would recommend. So we need to start the process off with a good sock. A good sock is going to have cushioning for both the heel and the toe, and it's going to be made with moisture wicking fibres, which offers good ventilation and ensures that your feet don't get too cold and they don't overheat either. These Scafell Lite socks come with the boot, absolutely fantastic. I'm going to stick the foot into the boot, knock the heel back to seat the heel in the heel cup. This should also create some space for the toes to make sure that they can stay relaxed. We're going to pop the tongue in, grab the laces, nice and tightly. We're going to tie one hook, two hooks, surgeon's knot at this point. Keep that tongue tucked. Next hooks into the tongue hook, last hook, cross over the laces, go back down a hook, tie another surgeon's knot, and finish with a double knot.